Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we are in the community of Sienna. The builder we're going to view is actually Historymaker Homes, and we are viewing a townhome. Now, the model of the townhome is called the Bowie. It is a 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home. It is a little over 1,700 square feet, and the current starting price is in the low $300,000 mark. Now, the unique thing about the community of Sienna is that they have multiple schools located within the community. Now, the schools that are zoned to this particular property are Donald Lynette Elementary, Ronald Thornton Middle School, and Ridge Point High School. So I'm going to let you go ahead and enjoy this tour of this beautiful home. Make sure if you have not done so already, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. And if you don't know who I am Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. Welcome back, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour. Now, with the current market, builders are really trying to entice the buyers. Now, History Maker says that they are willing to throw things in with the purchase of your new home, such as refrigerators, washer, and dryers. But you will need a trusted realtor who has those connections with the representatives to find out exactly what they're willing to give you. So if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them.